Well, this little video will probably be a short one. I'm just making it primarily to apologize for the last video I posted. When I went online to review it, I noticed there was a lot of humming in it, and I don't know how I will overcome this. It's kind of a situation of the computer being located so close to my microphone. Now, my computer is probably 10 years old or better. I can't count the number of times that it's went down on me, but I just thank God that I have it and able to use it to put forth His Word and to bring glory to you. Now, I'm going to try to move the camera around here to show you a little of what I'm talking about, and so you may see a little jiggling in the camera, but at least you'll know what it's about. See if I can swing it around here and show you. Well, there's a picture of the computer. As you can see, it's uncovered. Everything else, I have to do it that way to keep it from overheating, and because of some problems that we have with a couple of the boards, I have to be able to get into it pretty quick in order to stop some other problems I have. But as I say, it's right beside, within 3 foot of my monitor. Here's the monitor, as you can see, and it's at the same level as the computer. Therefore, it picks up the hum or the noise from the fans within the computer. And as I said, I don't know really what I can do about it at the present time, but I will have to continue using what I've got to put forth the devotionals. And it's not, to me, so much a concern about the quality of it or anything of this nature as is the message that the videos are supposed to contain. And I don't believe the humming sound that you will hear in the videos will take and cause that much distraction from the word that's being presented. So hopefully now, when you watch the videos and you see the or hear the humming sound, you'll know where it's coming from. But continue to watch the videos and use them to learn more of God and of His kingdom. And again, I apologize for the poor quality, but as I said, it's the best I've got at the present time, and we just have to deal with it in that manner. But thank you for watching. I meant to say something else about my little system a minute ago and forgot it, so I'll jump in here and add this little clip. Whenever I do a video that takes approximately 6 minutes, or I should say a 6-minute video that I upload, when I capture the video, I use Microsoft Windows Movie Maker as my camera software, and whenever I set up the files the way that you set them up to make the movie, and then I go through the conversion and save process, it takes an hour and 45 minutes for my system to convert this to prepare it for me to upload to YouTube. So you can understand a little bit of the dilemma I'm in here. And again, I just ask you to pray for me that God can use me in this system to do His work and to bring glory to you. And again, I thank you.